Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. Zilliqa has broken out a very significant resistance of 4.5 cents, and right now it is trying to break out the next resistance of very big falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And I'm also covering the different altcoins here, which are possibly going to start very big reversal moves, the bullish reversal moves after this market, the current market crash, by forming different bullish reversal setups. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with this 4-hour time frame chart. And here we have been following these support and resistance levels. Like previously, we were moving between 3.7 cents support that I was telling you is our key support, and also very long-term support as well, and the resistance of 4.5 cents. You can see that we had a rejection here, and after this rejection we have finally broke it out. And before this, here this 4.5 cents has been working as a support, as a support, as a support, as a support. After this big drop, it was working as a very strong support, and after breaking down, it was working as a resistance. And we also had this 3.7 cents support, that is our key support, and I'll show you on the weekly time frame chart. Now let's move to the weekly time frame, and here this is the move that I was waiting for, that we should break out. We need to break out this very big resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern. And if you are following my videos on Zilliqa, then you may remember that I have been following this falling wedge pattern before this breakout. And after this breakout, we had a very big rally up to 23 cents. But after this current market crash, the price line is again dropped here inside the same falling wedge pattern. We tested this support of 3.7 cents here, you can see. And this level has been working as a support here back in December 2020 on this weekly time frame. And here as a support back in August 2020. And here back in June 2020, it has been breaking as a resistance, as a resistance, as a resistance, and as a resistance in June 2019 as well. In April 2019, it was breaking as a resistance, and before that, here in August 2018, it has been breaking as a support. And we also have this support at 3 cents that has been breaking as a support here, and right now we have again tested this support of 3 cents as well. So basically, we did not break down the 3 cents or 3.7 cent support levels because we did not have closing there. The price line is recovered back. We had a spike up to those levels, but the price line is recovered back, and right now you can see with a strong bullish candlestick, it is trying to break out the resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern. Now, if we will have a breakout from here, if we take a look at the daily time frame, then we can see so far we did not have any closing above this resistance of the falling wedge. But on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that we have the closing above the resistance, and the next candle has been opened above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. So there is a probability that we can break out this pattern. And at the same time, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, then it has also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hour time frame. I'm expecting that if Bitcoin will be able to break out this resistance of the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, then Zilliqa will break out this resistance of the falling wedge, and it will turn even more bullish than Bitcoin. And very soon it can hit the target of this falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge at 23 cents. And as in my last video, I was showing you that Zilliqa has formed a down channel and broke out the resistance of the down channel. This was the resistance, and here we have the support. And this pattern is more visible, by the way, on the daily time frame. Therefore, I'm just taking you to the daily time frame. Let me remove this resistance of falling wedge, and now you can see we have this down channel formation here, and Zilliqa has broken out this resistance of the down channel here, retested the previous resistance as a support, confirming confirming this breakout, the price line is moving up. Now, if we take a look at the target for this down channel that is here at the top of the channel, very close to the target of falling wedge, here we have the target at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.